The cloud. It's here. It's real. It's transformative. IT is changing. Infrastructure and applications are changing. Devices are changing. Threats are changing. Human behavior is changing. We live in a new world with new requirements, with new risks, with new imperatives, and a world of new opportunity for our business. We are creating innovative solutions to solve old challenges and new challenges in new and better ways. We are transforming our business. We are transforming our customers' businesses. We are the leader in IT management from the cloud. We are the leader in security, performance, and scalability. We are the leader in capability and usability. We are delivering new power at the fingertips of our customers every day. We are the IT management experts. We are the IT management cloud company, defining best practices, driving technology leadership, and delivering business results for our customers, for their customers. We do it with a strong team and the will to win. We are in the right place at the right time, with the right products and the right people. We own our destiny, each and every one of us, and we are greater than the sum of our parts. We are Team Kaseya. 2015 is our year to stand together, to reach new heights, to look our challenges in the eye, to not take no for an answer, to deliver excellence, to raise the bar, to make a difference, to make it happen.